Hi everybody and welcome along to my latest video, and this video I'm going to be telling you how to get your first 500 subscribers on YouTube. Now, the subscribers you want mostly on YouTube are the active subscribers. They're the subscribers who are going to build up your channel, who are going to watch your videos, who are going to comment on your videos, who are going to like your videos, and who are ultimately going to be the cause of making your channel a success. So the subscribers you want are active subscribers. I'm going to give you the tips, and if you implement these tips, you should be able to build up your subscriber list very fast on YouTube. I'm going to give you tips to build up your YouTube channel. The number one tip is be consistent with your videos. Now, what I mean is, instead of rolling out videos the whole time, you don't have to. You do something that suits you, that you are in a position to do. Like, if you're not able to do videos daily or compete with these vloggers who do daily vlogs, it doesn't matter. If you maybe can do one on Monday or Wednesdays or even once a week, but if you stick to a schedule and if you be consistent on that schedule and let your viewers know that they can depend on a new video coming out from you at a certain time, even once a week or even if it's twice a week. Another thing is, if there is a big gap in the videos, let's say you put one out this week and then you wait a month, you would be better off putting out 4 videos in a week and continue doing them 4 videos in a week or even 1 a week, rather than 7 videos 1 week and then no more videos for the rest of the month. So let's say you get yourself into a position where you do 7 videos every day for a week and then you're gone missing for a whole month. Your subscribers are going to maybe lose interest in the channel because they have no new content to watch. So be consistent is a very important one. Tip number 2 is keep bettering your quality. You can better the picture quality by buying a new camera, better lighting, and try to better your video each time with each video, because the more quality you get in your videos, the better result you will get in the viewers and the watch time. Now, the watch time is also very important, and I will have videos on watch time and how to get more views in upcoming videos, so please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell if you are interested in that. Now, as I said, the second tip is bettering the quality. This can be done by buying a new camera, buying lights, and getting to know the better ways to film and an awful lot more. Also, there are different tips and ways to film better, which I will be exploring in up-and-coming videos also. Now, the third tip is to make awesome thumbnails, because the thumbnail is the first thing a person will see. Now, I'm also going to explore how to make thumbnails in upcoming videos, so as I said, if you are interested in that, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and please bell. And also, getting back to the thumbnails, you make it eye-catching, you make it really good to look at, so that the viewer gets drawn in and wants to click on it and wants to see what the video is all about. Also, what is very important, and coming on to the fourth tip, is the heading. The heading is very important. Usually 2 to 3 words would be best, and keep it simple. And also, what is in the heading of the video title you can put in the description also, because when people are searching for other videos to do with that video, they will see that your video could come up in the recommended videos on the side. And now, a lot of views come from recommended videos, so if you get a lot of positions in recommended videos, you are going to get a lot more noticed, and each time your video is noticed, you will have a possible subscriber and your subscriber count could go up. Now, as I said, when your subscriber count goes up, you will then have the job at keeping them subscribers active, because that is the most important thing on YouTube, to have active subscribers. Because as I said, when you have active subscribers, they will build up your watch time and they will build up your views, and they are the two most important things on YouTube. Well everybody, I hope you enjoyed this video about how to get your first 500 subscribers on YouTube. If you're a new YouTuber and if you've been at this a while but you haven't hit the milestone of 500 yet, I hope this video will help you to do so. And if you have any comments about this video, please comment below, and see you soon. Hit that bell.